A warm good morning to everyone that is present here. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, coordinators, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Praneet Verma from grade 7A2, present in front of you all to talk about our excursion to the exhibition at the Radiance Readers Academy. So when we got there, we saw a lot of stalls. They were about technology, environment, science, computers, a lot of things. And the most important, most interesting part for me was the computer part, where we learned how robotics work and even got to control a few robots for ourselves. But the most interesting part, and I liked it a lot because it was a prize system. When you win an educational game at a stall, you would get a coupon. And if you get 10 coupons, you would get an eraser, 20 coupons, you would get a pencil, and 50 coupons, you would get a copy. This was very interesting for us because we hadn't seen these things before. And this also made us very enjoy it a lot along with learning. To conclude, I want to thank my science teacher, Mrs. Monica ma'am, and our Babylon National School and Radius Readers Academy for giving us this opportunity. Thank you and have a nice day.